Hey, welcome everyone to this new episode of Two Villas on a Hill. It is pretty warm here in Spain, and today very big excitement. The swimming pool has been installed, the tiles are done, the tiles of the external walls are done as well, doors are being installed, lights in the ceiling are being installed as well. So let's get going and let's go and have a look all together. Very exciting day today. Now, because the big excitement is outside, I will start at the top of the house and going down, and then we'll end the Villa Serenidad, the first villa, the one at the top of the hill, with the swimming pool and the external wall, so that keep the best for the end. So I am now at the top of the house, the first house, where there is the wall that you saw previously in the vlog, the previous vlog, and so far new things. Doors have been put, and no, in this level not yet. Okay, we'll see that later. Doors have been installed, or some are being installed still, and the I don't know how you call that, the stick to hold the window on the external terraces are being installed. So it's getting ready to put the windows, that we don't fall. That would suck. Unfortunately, you won't see much of those bathrooms as we are finalizing them, and it will not be uncovered until the house is finished. But yeah, keep the good stuff for the end, why not? Tiles has been done here. I don't know about the inside of the elevator. We'll have to wait a bit for that to have electricity. This furniture has been put as well, installed. Yeah, nothing new here. So those are doors that comes from, they are in the wall and they come inside from the two sides. Not sure if, yeah, they're not installed yet, but that's the idea anyway. And yes, so every terrace has their stick, and the window is gonna come higher. Okay, it's gonna come to 1.10 m, which is the legal requirement, the minimum, and we do not want to fall from here. We do not want to fall. All right, good stuff. Let's move on to next bedroom. See, door. Well, I guess you saw already, but being installed, and I think, yeah, nothing new here. Okay, see, this door is in the wall, and it comes, and they're actually installing it, so I will not move it next time, maybe. This new furniture has been installed as well, and I think the showers are really, they are going to be installed soon. This is just a matter of time now. Okay, so that's it for the top floor. I suggest we go one level down. It's really all coming together now. This is very nice. We are currently looking at how to do the staircase. I think we're going to install window here, and then we'll have vertical line that goes from the top to bottom to have it a bit more less traditional, let's say. Yeah, so lights, very simple light. Right now they're a bit hidden because it's not finished yet. When it will be all white, it will be, it will look better, of course. Yeah, so what else? In this room, in this bedroom, not sure. Just to have a quick look, but yeah, no, it's in the process of installing doors. That's about it, really. I went to buy, I don't know if you can see, but those are all lights to put in the floor, outside lights. They are in the floor and they just go against the wall. You have a wall and they go against it. So we have 24 of them to put outside to have some lights for the whole house, and again 10 different ones that we'll see soon enough. But now it's not time yet to show you guys that. So that's it really for now. Many things happen outside rather than inside. I think the kitchen is almost done. You can't see much because it's hidden again, so that it doesn't get dirty or not too dirty. Oh, what's this new thing? No, okay, that's the comment. That's a comment of the elevator. Nothing there. In the things that changed a little bit, I think, yeah, this room has been closed completely. This is a toilet. This is a massive toilet. And yeah, this room has been very big eco. We need to put some furniture. But yeah, now the floor has been installed and yeah, it looks dirty. But I think that was a smart move to change this compared to the traditional parquet. Okay, now good stuff, guys. We are about to go outside and to show you the swimming pool and the walls. The terrace should be done next week or within the week after that, so very soon anyway. And here we are. Here we are. All right, let's go down and show you the swimming pool. And there we go. That is the swimming pool that you can see there with the tiles, and the wall, that's an imitation, ceramic imitation of stone. So you guys can let me know in the comments what you think. You like it or not? Maybe some of you don't like it. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but we still have the fountain, the cascades, those, one here and one on the other side. And yeah, that's it, guys. We are done with this part of the swimming pool. Still lacking the paint on that level. It's like a gray, dark gray. And yeah, I'm excited to show you guys this. It's not fully finished. We're still missing for the stairs. There are some tiny pieces that we're lacking that are like round, so that it's not sharp and you can't hurt yourself, or at least much less than it would have a sharp edge. So it's spending to receive these ones. I think end of this month that the supplier said, to finish the inside of a swimming pool. And going down, stair has been done, but it was done already last time. And yeah, this wall has been done too. So we have the two walls now that are finished. Let's go from a different angle. But yeah, now you get a pretty good idea of the end finishing. That's a bit wild actually, but I'm happy with it. I think it looks even better now than I thought. We're still lacking this one here, still lacking this, which will be the same tile as in the swimming pool. So we'll have the tile of the swimming pool all over this platform and on the other side. And the stairs here, we're still waiting the finishing, what we're gonna put finishing. I'm thinking there's gonna be some kind of high quality stamped concrete to finish that. But yeah, now it's really close to the end. It's very rewarding, and thank you so much for watching. I am now going to have a look on this house. As you can see, the scaffolding have been put away, so it looks completely different. Suppose we now go down and have a look at the other house and see what happened there. I'm pretty sure that many tiles have been installed, bathroom has been installed, and let's go have a look right now. Hey, welcome back. I am now downstairs in the second house down, and quite a lot have happened, honestly. All the level, it's been leveled, all the ground has been leveled, all the bathroom has been tiled, the elevator has been installed, so lot of good stuff to see today. To see from downstairs how it looks like, the wall. Hope it looks good on the camera, but I think it changed the whole perspective even from downstairs. And now I am even lower than that, and that's how the villa looks like. Villa Ola, everything has been leveled, as you can see, and it's starting to getting paint on the outside. It's not finished yet. Can show you a little bit maybe on the side. So very different perspective now. Looks completely different. Okay, it got a bit loud due to cars, so I will start again and keep going. So the outside stairs to go down without going through the villa is in current process of being done. I think next week it should be finished. And yeah, you can see the house without scaffolding. Yeah, this is very exciting. It finally looks like house now that it's been leveled. Yeah, good stuff. Look at that massive entrance. It doesn't even fit the whole it doesn't even fit the whole camera. Okay, no, it does. Yeah. This is crazy. It's very exciting. And now the other side. So you can see that now we are on a steeper level, definitely steeper than the other house. We have more level between the levels, but that makes sense because the other house, the entrance on that level, and now we are at the level +2. So that makes sense. Okay, let's go. So I propose that this time we go by the entrance because now it's possible. Very cool. Okay, so tile has been installed. The stairs, this one is not done, but downstairs it is. We'll get there soon. Careful because it's big hole. The elevator has been installed. Okay, so in this house too now, which is excellent. And yeah, the floor has been installed in this room, in the dressing room too. And I don't think it looks that good on the camera, but in real, this terrace is absolutely insane in the view. Even on nice hotel, I haven't seen that. Not to be pretentious, really, you need to be here to really understand how open it is. By knowing that no one can come and build down. Nobody. So yeah, sharing this moment with you. All right, let's move on. Let's check the bathroom. So yeah, you saw it already last time. Now the difference is that it has been rejoined inside, and it looks more finished. Just this needs to be cut again. So far so good. So when you take your shower, that's how it's going to look like. I like it. Yeah, right, forgot that. Those tiles has been done here too, so it looks much more finished now. Much more finished. It changed the whole game. Really looking nice. Okay, let's go one level down and check what else is new. So far the common area was tiled already before. Now you can see the elevator. Okay, so it doesn't look in the middle, but that will be modified. No worries there. It will look amazing. No worries. And what should we start? Let's start with this bathroom. This is like white tile with finishing. Brilliant, shiny, and yeah, two different floor. The reason is that this one did not exist in anti-slip, so we could not install it in here, and if you touch it, it doesn't slide. Well, especially with water on it. And yeah, you will have the toilet that's here, give a bit of privacy. And no, you can't see much, so people can't see you either. That's not a bad thing. So far nothing changed here, so I don't think it's worth spending time. I will just move on and go to the next bathroom, which is very interesting. It's very similar to the tile we have on the other side, but like it's rectangular, and it's not it's really, how do you say that, it's not smooth. It's a bit more wall-like. not so much tile, but looks really good so far with black floor. It really gives a lot of contrast. The end finishing, and yeah, also this one is anti-slip definitely, and so far it looks really good. Also have some intimacy on this side to do the stuff, you know. Not going into too much detail here, I don't think it's worth it. And yeah, so far so good. Okay, and yeah, let's go to see the stairs. They're actually doing the stairs at the moment and started to do also the wall. So yeah guys, that's it. That's the stairs, and as you can see, those are exactly the same tile, just that these one are wider, and so it looks like one piece. You can also see that we have a similar wall to the one that we have upstairs, but not black in this finishing, and it looks, I think it looks even more like stone, and it's really well made. It's a different kind of finishing. Yeah, and so we have the elevator, and now I will go down and show you from downstairs how it looks like. So I came downstairs for you guys to have an idea of how it looks like. I'm sorry, the light is not very good. Can't do much because it's natural light the whole time, but you should have already a pretty good idea of how it looks like. Of course, it's still in process. It needs to go to the top right there, and yeah, so next time I think it will definitely be ready. And yeah, nothing happened here, and we'll do a quick check, but I think the swimming pool is getting ready to be tiled as well. So yeah, so I think that will be for next time, unfortunately for this time. And yeah, so it's been leveled down as well, so it's getting ready. So it is over already. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to get notification from new uploads so that you don't miss any videos, and I will see you in next episode. Thank you.